In this video series, I work through a math problem each video. Here, we have two equations that we need to solve for x. In these equations, we have a number added to or subtracted from x. In order to get x by itself on one side of the equation, we add the additive inverse of that number. But an equation has two expressions, one expression on the other side. When we add or subtract the number to one side of the equation, we need to remember to use the addition property of equations. Equations are like balances. The expression on the left-hand side of the equation is balanced by the expression on the right-hand side. If we add or subtract the same number or equivalent expressions from both sides of the equation will remain balanced. So when we add the additive inverse of a number to one side of the equation, we'll have to add the same number to the other side of the equation as well. With that in mind, let's take a look at the given equations. We first have x plus 5 is equal to 12. Since the additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, let's add that to the left-hand side first. Now we need to add the same number to the other side of the equation as well. Since 5 and minus 5 are additive inverses of each other, when we add them together, we get 0, the additive identity. Twelve plus minus 5 is 7. Since 0 is the additive identity, when we add x to it, we get x. And we found that x is equal to 7. Next, we have x minus a is equal to 17. Let's first rewrite the subtraction as an addition. The additive inverse of minus a is 8, so we'll add that to both sides of the equation. Minus a and 8 will add to give 0. And 17 plus 8 is equal to 25. X plus 0 is x. So we found that x is equal to 25 in this second equation. Note that we can think of addition by 8 as the opposite process from subtracting by 8. Then we can add 8 to the left-hand side without converting subtraction to addition first. Since we end up with x plus 0 in both cases, we can then proceed solving for x as before. From now on, we'll treat these expressions with subtraction directly, without converting them to addition first.